Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariel, and I'm coming at you today with a quick, easy, delicious shrimp taco recipe that I just really enjoyed making and really enjoyed eating, of course, but it was just so good. I just think after this experience, I probably would never eat tacos with turkey meat ever again. So let's get into this video. So here's the seasonings I used for this recipe. And basically, you want to use that lemon juice to get that fishy odor or taste out of the shrimp. And I use garlic, Old Bay, and butter, of course. And here is just me showing you guys how I saute my shrimp in the skillet with that butter, that seasoning, and that garlic, minced garlic, and a little bit of that lemon juice. And that's just me cooking it. Now, shrimp does not take no time to cook. So you cannot walk away after you put it on that skillet. You need to watch it and immediately cook it because it doesn't take nothing more than a couple minutes to cook. This is what the shrimp looks like once you're done cooking it. And I tasted it. It was so good. Here I am showing you guys the tortillas I use. And it's so good. So what you're going to do is put olive oil in there and fry that up a little bit so it's like a little crispy, a little crunchy. But it's just so good. A lot of people don't know about this method, but this is how I make tacos. My mom makes it like this, but it's the best way to have tacos. I also use these for enchiladas, and I do it the same way I make my tacos, and it just makes the taste so much better. I don't really like flour tortillas too much. Tastes like cardboard a little bit, but to each his own. But here I am, and this is what it looks like once you're done frying it. And then you take it and you put it on some paper towel to drench that oil out and stuff really good. And then in this clip, I'm showing you guys what I put on it. I was missing pico, but I wasn't trying to go back to the store, so I was using what I had in there. And here are just some pictures of what my food looked like once I plated it and dressed it up really good. But this recipe is so good. Like, I don't think I will ever make tacos the traditional way ever again. And that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys try this recipe and that you love it just like I did. And don't you forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you really enjoyed this video.